Hi everyone, can you hear me? Assalamu alaikum. I'm good. Can you hear me? Can someone type like you guys can hear me? Good, nice. That is what I want. ओके सो आज हम लोग चलते हैं गोल्ड पर as it is. Let's move to the gold. Yesterday I was busy at somewhere, and due to this I was not able to done the stream, but nevertheless we are back here. Yeah, that's the point. We are back here. Let me fix something. Can you hear me now? Yes, okay. You can hear me now. Yeah, big mic was off. Yeah, that is why you were unable to hear me. Now all good, all good. Okay, let me go back to where we are looking at now. What are the options we have? Okay, give me a minute. Okay, okay, okay. Where are we at now? Okay, so here we are. Let me shut down everything for now because there's a lot of windows open in my system and I want everything should be shut down first. Okay, now let's move to the where we at now. Okay, so as of now this is where the gold is. Okay, let's discuss one by one. So the rule is simple. Camera भी adjust करना चाहिए ना, like I should look good. Sorry. Okay, so there is a level. I would not say level, but this is the area where market is holding quite a long. 4060. Let's go to a 30-minute. Yes, this is the area. So I would say if market comes down here, we can look for buy option. This is the zone. Let me type it here. Okay, so this could be the buy area. This area could be the buy area. But again, yes, and on the upside, this could be the buy zone. Let me mention here. The voice is clear, everything is clear, hopefully. If you guys have any complaint, like, you can just drop the message in the chat. So the buy zone 4058, I would say. Yes, to 4060, the buy zone. This is the buy zone. And if someone looking forward for the sell zone, let me go to the top. I would say this, from here price need to grab the liquidity. The zone is too big, but let me go to the 30-minute time frame. It's still 7. Let me go to 15-minute. It's still 7. Let me go to the 5-minute. It's still. So this zone is big, but yes, we can try to look for sell zone here. Like, this could be the sell zone, I would say. Yes, this is a buy zone. Sell zone from 40. This is the whole sell zone, I would say. It is quite big, बट ऐसा ही है. अब इसमें कुछ किया नहीं जा सकता, इसमें हमारा कोई कसूर नहीं है. द थिंग आई वॉन्ट हेयर शुड बी डन. आइडियल सिचुएशन मैं आपको समझा देता हूँ यहाँ पे. आइडियल सिचुएशन दैट कुड बी पॉसिबल हेयर वुड बी लाइक price go bullish, grab the liquidity from here and then drop, and we can easily get 100 pips. That would be an ideal situation. But what we can do here, like we do not know whether price grab the liquidity from here or not, or whether price return from here or not. So uh, it's difficult to predict. So what we can do, once price come to this level, simple, once price come to this level for 112, we can enter partially. ओके मैं थोड़ा दूर बैठा हूँ इसलिए मेरी वॉइस ना थोड़ी कम आ रही है. मैं अब थोड़ा पास हो जाता हूँ. ठीक है, अब शायद वॉइस ठीक आ रही हो. मैं थोड़ा जूम इन भी नहीं, जूम आउट करना है मुझे. यार माइक थोड़ा दूर, ये माइक में मुंह के साथ. अब आवाज़ क्लियर आ रही होगी आप लोगों को, है ना? लेकिन मैं माइक उठा के बैठ नहीं सकता. थोड़ा सा दूर है, लेकिन इट इज़ गुड. So this is the plan, simple plan. The way price is moving for now, I would say we should look for buy option more in terms of sell zone. So this is a sell zone I have shared. Gone. Voice gone, sir? How the voice is gone? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Hopefully you can hear me now. वॉइस आ रही है ना? सही है, आवाज़ आ रही है. Let me check by myself. Once price come to this level, simple. वॉइस आ रही है ना? यार वॉइस आ रही है यार, बिल्कुल क्लियर है. मैं खुद चेक कर रहा हूँ, अभी यूट्यूब पे चेक किया है. इट्स ऑल गुड. Since you started live, everything is audible. Yes, there are good people, guys. The one who's not able to hear my voice, they need to fix their system. So that's the plan, guys. I am not able. I would not sell at this zone. I would say this is a risky zone. Price could easily. This is a risky zone. Let me mention here. No sell zone. This is no sell zone. So no one should do anything. Just sit on your hands and wait for the price to come down. If price comes down here 4058 4060, we will take a buy, and our stop loss would be not bigger. Just we go with the smaller stop loss, because it may risk, like it's a game of probability. If it's come down here, we can risk like 4056 would be our last resort, and then we will see how it's happen. H1 structure break के बाद deep test at 85, why not valid? H1 के structure के break के बाद, let me see H1. You mean to look for sell side? I'm not looking for the sell side move. Look the way prices move. Price is very much bullish for now. We are not. I'm not looking for the sell side thing. I'm looking for the buy side, because the structure is bullish. You see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bullish candles. So what we can expect, like once we have so much bullish candle, we expect a bit of retracement, and then we can expect the price would go up. So that's my plan. Whether we get some trades in this move, it would be great. Otherwise, we just waiting. Yeah, we are on the buy side. I don't want to be. I don't want to sell here, because the price is so much bullish, and you know, like the way gold is moving nowadays, if you are on the opposite side, we don't know which is the opposite side or which is the whether we are on the opposite side of the gold or in the same side. How we can predict? Like we just see the market structure. So as of now the market structure is bullish, so I just want to uh, be on the buy side rather than sell side. Is there any possibility at NY Open we get a sell retracement from this area? Yes, it is possible, uh, but there's a pretty much chance like the price can go up. If price go up from 408,990 level, it will not hold this level, it will just break and go bullish. So उर्दू में समझाता हूँ, अगर प्राइस अब यहाँ पे आएगी 4090 पे, हम लोग यहाँ पे सेल नहीं कर सकते. दैट्स माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. I may be wrong here, but I would not sell here because my thought process is अगर प्राइस यहाँ पे ऊपर आएगी तो प्राइस कैन ईजिली ब्रेक एंड विल गो टू 4112 4116. सो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि हम यहाँ पे बाय कर लें, बिकॉज दिस प्राइस इज़ इन द मिडल वेयर. मतलब ना प्राइस ऊपर है ना नीचे, मतलब दरमियान में. यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग बाय करेंगे और प्राइस लेट से यहाँ नीचे आ जाती है, सो वी विल गेट स्टक. सो अगर हम यहाँ पे सेल करेंगे और प्राइस ऊपर चल जाती है, वी विल गेट स्टक अगेन. सो वी विल जस्ट वेट फॉर द प्राइस टू कम डाउन एट दिस लेवल 4058 4060 and we can like have 40-50 pips SL and we'll see like how the market behave. So that's a way to go for now. So hopefully it makes sense. So in the meantime we are waiting. You can ask question and I have a cup of tea as well. वैसे चाय पीने का सही तरह मज़ा इस तरह आता है, पुराने बाबे ऐसे ही पीते होते हैं. 4108 वाला जोन मार्क नहीं किया आपने बिकॉज I personally believe like if price go up it may spike up. So I just want to be on the safer side कि अगर spike पड़े तो हम spike पे entry लें rather than we just enter at 4018 and price spike around 4112. So अगर हम अगर प्राइस ने स्पाइक मारनी है 4112 पे और हमारी वहाँ एंट्री हो तो दैट वुड बी ग्रेट. माई स्ट्रेटजी इज सिंपल. लाइक आई जस्ट सी द प्राइस एक्शन एंड रिएक्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. देयर इज़ नो स्ट्रेटजी. आई डिड नॉट लर्न एनी स्ट्रेटजी फ्रॉम एनीवेयर. आई जस्ट फोकस ऑन द सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस. It's a simple thing. I see this gold chart. I only trade gold and sometimes US30. So I see this gold chart from the last 6 to 7 years. So my subconscious told me like how so I understand the market structure, I would say, in a good way, like where to buy, where to sell. That simple. Plus are the direct entry zones, I do not wait for the confirmation. When price hit my zone, I just enter. That's how it works for me. I just enter and put SL and TP and that's the way to go. Yeah, most of the time it's intuition, you can say that, but it's a mixture of things. I see the live market along with my experience, so that's how it works. दानिश भाई 100 के FTM अकाउंट नहीं पास हो रहा पिछले देर से साल से. एनी गाइड फ्रॉम मी राइज. You need to manage risk. You need to manage SL. Like if price come down to this area 4058 4060, like we can risk 50 pips. 4055 would be the SL and let's see how the market behave. Simple. There is nothing to worry. 40 to 50 pips SL. I live in Mars. Guys, we should not ask such question like where do you live. You post someone's name and ask me like how this trader works. Like I'm not here for such things. Like we should talk productive, like how the market behave. You can ask question about the market rather than just a random question, because I think these random questions are just useless. No one gets any benefit from that, because as I said many times, like I'm not just a trader, I'm also the fintech operational guy. like I work for the brokers, prop firms, where I manage operations, risk side, and a lot of things. So I have a vast experience in that way as well. So yes. दानिश भाई आपके डिस्कॉर्ड ग्रुप में था 2 साल में हाफ रेस 500 TP 500. What's your broker to go? What do you recommend? If you see the screen here, in top here, you see here, yeah, there's one. There are two brokers, Black Bull and Think Markets, and you will find the link in the description, and you can go use my link and check out both of these brokers. They are good. Both of these brokers are good, and I am using these brokers. And for the prop firm, like, I would recommend you to check Think Capital for now, and use my code MDR Vision, and you will get 30% off on all challenges, and that 30% you will not get with any other coupon code. So yeah, that's the way. Yesterday, hopefully you guys have some trades on during the FMC. If somebody take a trade and make profit, he can let me know. Hi Danish bhai, what do you think? How much time will it take to break all time high? I don't think so it is gonna be happen this year. Maybe next year. Everyone expecting the sell. No, I was not expecting the sells on the FOMC. I was not expecting the sell. And yesterday I was in a buy before the FOMC. I have one buy at 40. I have 4 buys, basically 3 buys, and one is buy stop as well. I was so confident yesterday. So the first buy I have taken yesterday at 4050 before the FOMC. Even though after taking that buy, I went into the drawdown almost like 140 pips. And the second buy I have at 4047, and the third buy I have at 4043. And then I had a buy stop above this wicks that was around 2 lots. So because why I was in a buy, because it was 100% certain that market will go buy until unless they are going to make some changes in the interest rate. That is not going to be happen. So that was 100% sure, like the market will go bullish. So it happens the same way. They have make no changes and the market go bullish, and I have closed all my trades around 4070. Then I had a sell from 41167. It comes very good, but I have closed like 100 pips. Yesterday I want to do the live session, but it was very late for my side, and we are watching basically the movie as well. So yeah, the Lord of the Rings, I finally watched it, all 3 parts. So it was good. Mr. Frodo went there to drop the ring. It was very exciting movie, and total 3 parts, by the way. Okay, how did you know they are not gonna change interest rate? Because they have already said the new chairman, he has no intention to make any changes of interest rate in this whole year. That is what he said already. Do you think gold break gonna? This is something I have already shared couple of times, many times. Let me share it again. I personally see the gold should come down. and the last resort for the gold is this week. Price should come down to test this week, and this would be the last resort for the gold. If price break this level, it can easily come down, and maybe like next 1 year or 6 months it will go into the bearish mode. But that would be the very good buy zone as well. So yes, let's see when it is going to be tested out. So now right now it is coming down. Let's see to 13-15 minutes. Okay, so this is 15 minutes, and this would be our buy zone. Okay, let the price come. Once I will enter the trade, I will let you know, and then like we'll see. It's my first coming to live. To be honest, I'm very stunned in what way? Why 50? Like, because this level is hold for, okay, let me give you the proper understanding of this level. If you go to the one hour chart and you draw the line, market always held this level in many ways, and you see like 1, 2, almost this is the same zone where price was held, but now it has created a new zone. If you go to the 30-minute, you see price break and then hold this level. So I was expecting once price come down again, we will take a buy. You may know me now because I'm not a what he's saying, study your analysis. Okay, I'm not a content creator, so I just want to be spread some education. That's why I'm here and trying to share my serious analysis with you guys. And okay, so here's the thing. You see price is already tested the low of today. If that is happened when we were here in the live session, you see this level, if this has happened during our live session, we will definitely take a buy. So price is already tested the low of yesterday buy, and this is a very strong level. Yesterday you see the price drop all the way, grab the liquidity from the 3995 area, which is, I have already shared, like this area is a very good buy zone in the last session. If you go and check out my YouTube video in the previous session which we had done a couple of days ago. So price got a solid rejection and make a solid bullish candle. So and now the price has come down to retest this level. So if it is already tested this level, so it means we can only look for the buy side move. So now there is no higher time frame level here. So we have two buy zone. One is we already discussed, and the next buy zone, let me show you. I do not see the price will come here for now, but if it is, then this would be another buy zone. So you see, let me go. This is a lower time frame buy zone, and I'm expecting, like, hopefully the price just test this level and go bullish. If this level does not get respected and we had an SL hit, then the next buy zone would be this. And if you go to the 1 hour time frame, this, so we can take a buy based on H4 time frame here. Okay, the price is coming for our zone. Let him come. I do not want to do. Okay, so let him come now. Okay, the simple thing is once price come to this zone, we are going to buy, and our stop loss would be this. And yeah, 4610, this would be stop loss, like 4055, and we can target this area and even this one as well. But price need to come down first. Price need to come down first. I do not want to take a buy here, like if price is moving up, and I start thinking like I miss the trade and just get in the buy. So that's not the way how I trade. What's your average run? I just focus on the dollars. I do not focus on the risk to reward. I just try to make sure like my losses are not bigger than my profits. My win percent, I don't focus on those things. Like I'm overall I am in profit. Like in this month, I make around good money. Yes. Logic about no sell zone, because this level has been tested. This is the weak zone. If price come this level, it will break, and price could easily go and test those highs. That is why it's a weak. Dear, you mark is so why. The reason I have already shared. This is a weak zone. I just mention here for the people who just want to sell here. It may respect this level, but I do not want, because this is market is so bullish. So this is a weak sell zone. The good sell zone could be this one, the top one. Do you think in the next week gold will remain? I think so, that unless it could be possible. Yeah, I just trade intraday. Mostly my trades go in a good swing. Yeah. Over gold, you think gold is in buy or sell for a long term? In a long term, gold is bullish. Gold is bullish. Gold is bullish, brother. I have an issue. I don't hold my winning trade. It's an overall issue. Let me tell you the honest review. The traders you see in the Instagram, in the YouTube, like they are holding their trades like 800 pips, 900 pips, 1000 pips. As I said, like I work for the brokers, I work for the prop firms, and I have a lot of data, like millions of data for different traders, the guys who come in the Instagram. These swing trades only happen, like you can say, like if you are trading for a long time, and like in a year, I would say this could be happen like 1 or 2 times. You mostly not able to get such big trades, except there are news trade like yesterday, like price goes all the way bullish and someone buy here, like even I get like 300 pips. So I would say just simply make a rule, like the way I have the same problem. So what I have done is, like I make a rule, like if price goes to 70-80 pips in profit, I will close my 80% of the trade and hold 20%. Nowadays gold is moving so fast, so what I do is, like my threshold is always the same as of now as well, and 80 to 100 pips I secure on every trade, and that's done for me. And after that, market moves even 200 pips, 300 pips, I don't care. So you just need to make you just need to make the rule for you. Speak the language you use at home. People connect with authenticity, not a fake account. अच्छा कामरान भाई, मैं आपको ना आपकी ज़बान में समझाता हूँ. आपको अगर ऐसा लगता है कि ज़बान में बोलने से ऑथेंटिसिटी आती है या पीपल फेक होते हैं या ऐसा होते हैं, तो ये आपकी आई वुड से ये कोई लॉजिकल आर्गूमेंट नहीं है आपका. मैं क्यों इंग्लिश में बात करता हूँ, उसकी रीज़न ये है कि उसकी दो रीज़न है. एक तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि मेरा कंटेंट ग्लोबली देखा जाए, दैट्स द फर्स्ट रीज़न, और इंग्लिश एक ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज है. दूसरी चीज़ मैं आपको बताता हूँ, बिकॉज़ मैं एज आई सेड लाइक मैं एक प्रोफेशनल बंदा भी हूँ. मेरी डेली 5-7 मीटिंग्स होती हैं डिफरेंट कॉर्पोरेट लेवल के ऊपर, ठीक है, CEOs के साथ, क्योंकि मैं काम करता हूँ ब्रोकर लेवल पे. वहाँ पे सारे इंग्लिश ही बोलते हैं. आई वांट टू इम्प्रूव माई इंग्लिश एज वेल. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा इसमें आपका मतलब, मैं कुछ नहीं कर, मैं ये भी नहीं कह सकता कि आपका मसला है. आई डोंट वांट टू बी लाइक वो बदतमीज़ी वाला पार्ट कि भाई ऐसा है, तुम्हारा मसला है, तुम जानो. तो ना, आई डोंट वांट टू बी गो इन दैट वे. सो मैं बस चाहता हूँ इसमें, सो मैं नेचुरल हूँ. मतलब मेरे दिल की हालत, आप हाउ कैन यू जज माई internal intention, like what I'm going through. Like I'm not asking you to pay me something, nothing. So yeah, so I just want to create content in English and just want people see me in a global level. That's the thing. I do not want to make a content just for Pakistani people or who understand. Even in India, like not all the people understand Hindi and Urdu. Like they but English is a global language, so yeah, it's good. ओके खैर एनीवे, जो आपकी ऑडियंस है वो उर्दू स्पीकिंग है, उनके साथ उर्दू में बात करो. इंग्लिश मुझे भी आती है ब्रदर, या गुड, आती है तो बस पे सुन लें ब्रदर. बस जस्ट लॉट्स यू ओपन. सो इट डिपेंड्स, लाइक इफ़ यू हैव 100K अकाउंट यू कैन यूज़ one lot easily and you see the price is moving bullish without getting our order. But no worries, we are here. Hopefully the next candle come down. This is multinational floor. Yes, there is a multinational audience, I know, and the guy is new in our stream maybe, but in our Discord when we started, the mostly people are English. If somebody is working in a proper industry, he can copy the trade of big trade as well. I guess there is coming. I tell you, like you even copy the big traders, you are not gonna successful. It's not easy to copy them, and because it's not just about they are winning. Like the first thing is like how you copy them. Like you don't know when they are going to open the trade, and it's difficult, I would say. It's not. And in that way, you how you can be independent. Like if you are copying someone, end of the day, if that guy is no more in your prop firm, or that guy eventually die so once he die, you will die also. Like that's a simple thing. Like you don't know how to trade after that. For now we are just waiting. The price should come down, hit our buy level, and yes, Okay guys, for now we are just waiting. कैसे हैं मशरूक भाई? Can I reply on trading? Can I rely on trading income? Yes, you can rely on trading income, but it takes time. Like as of now, still, even you see all the traders, like the good traders that looks good uh, in the social media and everything. But I know there are a lot of good traders. Let's say the Raja Banks. He's uh, he start from the trading and then he start investing into different businesses. So he's not so take a trading as a business, same as a business. Like you cannot put stuff all eggs in the one basket and rely on them. So I would say if you are making good money from the trading, start investing into different categories, like whether it is real estate, whether it is uh, some partial business. The more you are sustainable in terms of putting investment into different categories, I would say that would put a lot of easiness in your trading journey as well. Once you are financially not strong or weak, that put a lot of pressure on your trading as well, because let's say if you are only rely on trading and one bad day, like let's say you have a 100k account and you just rely on that 100k, and that 100k is a real capital, and then one day you lose on a news trading, you lose 10-15,000, and suddenly uh, you come into the mindset, go into the revenge trading, and it happens for even the good traders. So I would not recommend this. Even now I know I can make good money with trading, but I'm working in the same field. I have some other portion of investment as well. So in this way, I know like my kitchen is not completely rely on trading. I have the other source of income as well. So that put my trading very easy. Yeah, I would say. But if I compare my trading now as compared to like 5 years ago, I had a lot of pressure on my mind. Like if I lose, how I can pay the bill, the different things. Like there's a lot of pressure. But now it's quite less pressure. Yeah. Can you make a video how to start trading and how you through ups and downs? I would say everyone has a different way of journey. Someone puts like 5-6 years and still not a good trader. Someone put like 2-3 years and can be a good trader. It depends on a journey. Like if you get a good people start of your journey, you become a good trader. I genuinely believe your surroundings matter a lot. If you have a good surroundings, with the productive people, they have the right knowledge, they can put you in the right direction. And one thing I always say to the people, like if you want to be successful in your trading, just go and learn the basic from any mentor, the basic of all the traders. Like even you go to the ICT, even you go to the uh, smart money concept, Raja Banks, or whatever, where the basic concept of the market structure is almost the same. And then you need to create your own strategy, because strategy is not something you can replicate. Like you have to because in the psychology there's a certain things, there's emotions, you have your own emotions, you cannot replicate the strategy. That guy make this strategy based on their own emotional, their psychology and everything. And maybe they have the, so it's a mixture of everything. So you need to build your own strategy, and in this way you will be independent, and yeah, you can make good money. So I have my own strategy, I don't rely on anyone. Yes, I read fundamentals, I read the good traders, in like I see columns of FX streets, a lot of other stuff. It's good to read other traders, but it should not be you should have dependent on them. Yeah, guys, we should have 100 likes on this live stream. If you could do that, it would be great. Like 100 likes on the live stream. Yeah, and share this live stream to your friend and family. Yes, obviously. Danish bhai, how to accept losses? Just simply put your SL and do it. Like, you see, we have a buy zone here, we have the entry, and we have a SL. If that happen, that's it. You cannot be profitable every day. Is there any edge we can focus along with the support and resistance for more probability? Yes, the market structure. And the market structure you can only learn when you spend the time in the market for minimum like 2 years, then you understand the market structure. So it's a mixture of both, market structure with support and resistance. Like, not every support and resistance will work, and this is something you know after. Like, you see, I have put there is no sell zone here, so it's not based on price action. It is based on experience. I personally see, like, if market comes here, it should not respect this level, it should go bullish all the way and respect this level. So this is something I learned with my experience. Is there force you say a fresh selling? This is not a no selling zone. In the higher time frame, if you see H4, let me see the H4, what is offering. Okay, in the H4, this H4 candle is still holding. That's a key point. Wow, there is another sell zone. That sell zone is very good, but yeah, the first market should come up. Today is a kind of, I think, since kind of ranging day. This is a good sell zone too, but it will take time to come up here. Come on, gold. Like, it come down to our level, just move away like 40 pips. You see, if it was come down further, it would be great for us. It gave 170 pips from 85, which I was sharing in the stream initially. Yeah, 85. Yeah, it is good level for you, but I did not take it, so it's not compulsory. Like, even if I'm sharing this buy zone or sell zone, it's not compulsory you guys need to take the trade. That's my thought process. So it is good to be independent, and yeah, it is not about proving someone wrong or right, because in the market no one is wrong or right. Because if you are buying, someone is selling. If you are selling, someone is buying. If you are making profit, someone is losing. If you are if someone is making profit, you are losing. So this is how I see the market. I don't see someone is wrong or right. I just see, like, if you are losing, it means the more people on the, if you are selling and you are losing, it means there are more people on the buy side. That's why you are losing. The one who have the majority, it's a kind of democracy in the financial market. Who have the majority, those guys are win, definitely. So that's how I see the market. So it's not, no, sometimes it's your day, sometimes it's not. So it's simple thing. Okay, guys, my team is playing. Let me see this. This is compulsory. Okay, so here's my team. So my team has the 7 elimination, and they are going for the chicken dinner. So they have the other, oh wow, they have a chicken dinner. Great. Wow, this is good. You see this? This is my team. Maxibles is, I own this team basically. Do you enjoy the smash rule? No, I don't enjoy the smash rule.
What do you think, Max? Will we beat the previous year keep watching record? What was it last year? I don't remember. But because we have godlike in particular, Doctor, I think.
Okay, we'll see. Anyway, the match has been ended, so we'll see. Okay, for now it is moving bullish. all the way bullish without taking our buy order, so we can't do anything. You will wait for like confirmation. No, I don't wait for the confirmation. Once price hit my zone, it's simply I take the trade. Like my buy zone for today was 4060, and it never come down here. It just move away before that, like 4065. So yeah, so it looks like I'm there is no trade for me for now. So yeah, next thing is like the price go up here, and we will take a sell here. I do not want to sell here because you see, let me tell you why I'm not selling here. No sell zone. Let me give you the, if I ask you one thing, H4 level is strong or H1 level is strong, what you say? Obviously the higher time frame level is strong. So if price is not respecting this level, I think the price will not respect this H1 level as well, which is like 4090. Price should go bullish and test minimum 4100. So with 4100, with candle close, and maybe price spike up towards 4110, 4115. That's how I go through with my thought process. So, and do some logical and discussion with myself about after watching the market. So if price is not respecting this H4, I don't see the price is going to respect this H1. And yeah, average SL from zone 50 pips. So it depends. Sometimes the zone is bigger. Let's say if I'm saying like sell zone is 4112 to 4116, and I need to open one lot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will enter with bits and parts. Like my first entry would be like maybe 0.20, and when price move further against my direction, then I will enter more and then more, and adjust my entry or SL in a way like if I daily risk like 1000, it should not be more than 1000, but my entries into the bits and parts. Guys, you need to put some likes into my live stream. Yes, let me put it here. Please, can we hit 150? Can we hit 100 likes? Yes. Guys, you need to put some likes here. Okay, in the meantime, I'm working on how to get a trade. Simple. I'm just waiting. I'm not in a trade. No, I'm not in a trade. Now if price comes down to 4060, I think the move is already happened, so I'm not gonna trade here again. But we'll see, like if price comes down, but let's see. Right now we are just waiting. There is okay. Let me see the H4. The thing is, there's one thing as well. If you see, like this is also the H4 zone, and these are some sort of wicks. if this H4 comes down all the way, 1/4 by Faisal Pan fight. Yeah, guy, I have seen this fight, and it was good. Yes. Najam here. Should the back 1024 maybe told me? I come into into perspective like if someone want to trade gold and want to be a good gold trader, he should not back test even before 2025, because I see this gold journey throughout from 2018 to all the way 2026. Initially the gold was moving very slow. The lowest I have seen in with my eyes of gold is 1463, 1450, I think 1454. Yeah, that's the zone I have bought it, and that's my all time low. This is my career low of gold, 1454. So, and at that time gold hardly moved like $10, $20 a day. Like $10 is a very bigger move at that time. Now within 5 minutes the gold move like $20-$30 easily. So I don't think so if back testing is. Now I have add another flavor. I would say the people should do live testing, because with the demo back testing you maybe make some money, you are good, but most of the time you are good in back testing when you are trading demo accounts, but when you come to the live account you are unable to trade. Why? Because there was no emotion involved in the demo back testing. So I would say let's put $500 in the live account and do live testing, and take this $500 as an investment on you and learn from it. So do not take high risk on that $500 account, because this is just for learning. You should not make a target like I'm going to make 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 with this $500. No, this is just for learning. So you always should use 0.01 lot size from that account, and with that account, because it is live account, it will involve emotions, and you can learn everything. So that's a way to go. How to learn trading from the beginning, and which thing I have to. I think nowadays there's for the basic learning in the YouTube there's a lot of content available, and all the markets, like if you are trading CFDs, crypto, futures, the market and chart pattern for all the market are same. There is nothing there. You just need to understand how the market move, what is the price action, what is how to read the charts. That's it. And you can learn from the YouTube, and also you can just Google it. There is a very good traders who can give you the basic education. Even in the Pakistan there's a lot of traders, like just basic information. I always say that like you need to make your own strategy. So for the basic information you can go any Pakistani trader. Wali Baba, he's very good in terms of understanding the market. And there is a Badr, I think Babar or Badr, yes, he's very good in terms of give you the basic education about how the market behaves, the market structure and everything. Raja Banks, he's a bit high, like he may charge you monthly $130. So if it is not affordable to you, then yeah. So, and after that, once you learn the basic, then you can make your own study. I also saw every bear market in different. Wali Baba don't know anything. Wali Baba, that's your perspective. That Wali Baba don't know anything. He knows everything. The only thing is, let me tell you in Urdu. वली बाबा सब कुछ ही जानते हैं, बट उनकी आप कह लें कि एक ख़ास बात है, या प्रोफेशनल वे में आप उसको क्रिटिसाइज़ कर सकते हैं, बट उनकी ख़ास बात है कि वो सच बोलते हैं, ठीक है, और वो बहुत ही स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सच बोलते हैं. सो मे बी वो लोगों को लगता है कि यार इसको ट्रेडिंग नहीं पता, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. आप कभी उनकी लाइव स्ट्रीम में बैठे हैं, जिस तरह वो मार्केट को रीड कर रहे होते हैं, जिस तरह वो सारा कुछ बता रहे होते हैं, सिंपल वे में मार्केट को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे होते हैं. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर वेदर वो कोई कोर्स खुद ऑफ़र करते हैं कि नहीं करते, लेकिन उनकी टीम में कुछ लोग हैं जो ऑफ़र करते हैं. लेकिन ही इज़ अ वेरी गुड गाय तो नहीं कहना चाहिए, मतलब वो सर हैं, और मैं उनको 2018-19 से देख रहा हूँ. मतलब उनको काफ़ी नॉलेज है. टॉप जी ट्रेडर, आई एम टेलिंग यू, लाइक द बेसिक नॉलेज you can get from anywhere. The market structure, the chart, the price action, सब भी आपको सेम तरीके से सिखा देंगे. There is no difference. And then when it comes to strategy, you need to build your own. That's a simple way to go. Okay, for now you see the market is just stuck here and we are just waiting. ओके दानिश भाई, हाउ टू इम्प्रूव साइकोलॉजी. इस पर मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. टू इम्प्रूव द साइकोलॉजी you need proper conversation with yourself. You need proper like आपको अपने आप से बात करनी पड़ेगी. शीशे के सामने बैठ के आपको डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा, यार मैंने ये गलतियाँ नहीं करनी. लाइक इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग. अगर आप अपने इमोशंस कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? सो आई वुड से अपने आप से डिस्कशन करें. हिज स्ट्रेटजी इज़ गुड. टॉप जी टीचेज, या इफ ही इज़ गुड, गो अहेड. सो गिव मी फ्री फंडेड अकाउंट, रियली नीडेड. इमोशंस कैसे कंट्रोल? खुद से बात करें, इमोशन कंट्रोल हो जाएंगे. खुद से बात करें, इमोशंस कंट्रोल हो जाएंगे. For now guys, we are just waiting, nothing else. Let me go to the 15-minute chart and see if we are not making anything. Achha, what we can do is if price comes here, this is just a lower time frame trade. Like if price comes here, but it could be risky trade. If price comes here, then we will see how the market react, and we will, because I'm pretty much sure like if price comes here, it can easily tab like 4106. But for now there is no buy or no sell. Let the price whether go up, whether come down, then we will see like what to do. अच्छे इंसान है, पर्सनली अच्छे इंसान है, बहुत अच्छे इंसान है. और मैं वही कहा ना कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा, दानिश भाई बिग फ़ैन, आई एम लर्निंग फ्रॉम यू सिंस लास्ट 25. मुझे भी प्रॉफिट नहीं हो रहा ट्रेडिंग में. मैक्स इंग्लिश, आपको प्रॉफिट नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज द प्रॉब्लम विद यू इज़ you do not have the capital, and once you do not have the capital, and also your guru is basically Mr. Asif Khokar, and you guys don't know how to trade. Basically your trading is against the market. You need to clear one thing by yourself. You need to change your strategy in terms of buying or selling. There's a simple concept. You need to buy at the bottom and sell on a high. What you are doing right now, you are selling on a bottom and buying on a top. So that's the problem with you. So Max English, you need to fix that. I think you need to go to the psychiatrist, and then yeah, guys, Max English is my friend, so yeah, I'm telling him like the main issue with him. Sir, you should go over problem in your beginning. You should okay, it's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, guys. It's coming up. It's coming up. Okay, okay. I do not want to sell here, but we'll see. Let him come at this. No, it's risky. Like, we are not going to sell here. It's risky. Honestly speaking, it's risky for now. It could easily come here. It could easily come here. I think so. You know, this wick, I just want this wick should be tabbed. We can sell. Okay, here we can. What we can do is there are two ways. We can sell here 4100. Okay, this is the good thing. Short. So if price come to 4100, we can sell here. Let me remove everything for now to make it easy for you. If price comes here, grab the liquidity, we can look for sell side move here. Okay, and we need to manage. I don't want to go higher because it's very much chance the price could tap for one. That's a problem. Like, even price comes here and yeah, that's a problem. Like, if I sell, I'm waiting for now. Let the price come first, then we will see. Which language are you speaking? Is this French? No, it is English, and you know that. Sir, Kamal Kumar को जानते हैं, very good trader, हर रोज़ लाइव आता है. मैं नहीं जानता, लेकिन अगर वो अच्छे ट्रेडर हैं तो दैट इज़ गुड. मैं पर्सनली नहीं जानता, मतलब ये मैं ऐसे नहीं बता रहा कि मैं वाकई नहीं जानता. आई डोंट केयर हु इज़ कमिंग लाइव, बट मैं नहीं जानता उन्हें, वाकई नहीं जानता. But hopefully he's a good trader, definitely. It was a good line of, but yeah, it was risky. Even if we sell here, it was tough. So yeah, that's a part. We will see once price reach to this zone. Once price reach to this area, we will react accordingly. That's the plan. That's a simple plan. Because we missed the buy trade and price did not come to our level, so nothing to worry. Sorry, should we go prop from lightning? Yes. If you have $100 or $200 and you want to trade gold, the prop firm is the best way. Asia high liquidity sweep. Yes, you can say that. So I want, if price need to grab sweep Asian highs, it should not just sweep it also comes up and grab the liquidity from here and then drop. That's the way. But right now price is so much bullish, not sure like whether it will stop somewhere or not. I do not want to mess up the things, because yeah, like you see, 1 2 3, it's a fourth time price is coming to this level. It may break and go all the way towards 40132. Yeah, this could be another zone where price could tap today, the way the volume is coming in. And then we can look like, We will see once price reach to this level first, and then we will react accordingly. मत बोलो इंग्लिश अगर बोलनी नहीं आती. Okay, thank you so much. And let's see what's coming here. And then, do you trade breakouts? Yeah, I trade breakouts. If it comes down, then we'll see. Okay, for now it's just waiting. We were looking for a buy at this zone, and price did not come to this zone, so yeah. Don't read negative comments. अच्छा, नेगेटिव कमेंट से ना मुझे अब मुझे पर्सनली कुछ नहीं होता. मतलब आई डोंट केयर. मतलब इवन आई स्टिल थिंक लाइक द गाय हु मेंशन लाइक इंग्लिश नहीं आती नहीं वो, तो ही इज़ अ रिस्पेक्टेबल गाय. मतलब द प्रॉब्लम विद द पाकिस्तानी पीपल इज़, लेट मी टेल यू, हर बंदे का डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो सकता है, ठीक है, और आपको वो एक्सेप्ट करना है. लाइक यू कैन नॉट मेक हैप्पी. आप पूरी दुनिया को खुश नहीं कर सकते. इट्स अ सिंपल थिंग. वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, लाइक आपने सिर्फ अपने इर्द गिर्द जो 4-5 लोग हैं जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं, सिर्फ आपका मकसद है उनको खुश करना, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट हेयर टू प्लीज़ यू, ठीक है. आई एम नॉट हेयर टू प्लीज़ यू. इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग प्लीज, इट इज़ गुड. इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग प्लीज, इट्स ओके, कोई मसला नहीं है. मतलब आपसे लोग इख्तलाफ भी करेंगे. पीपल विल एग्री विद यू, पीपल विल डिसएग्री विद यू. सो व्हाट यू डू एवरी टाइम यू रिएक्ट, so you just need to ignore them sometime, because I am like right now I am at the age of 36-7. I have 3 kids, I have a family, so I would say I am at the level of maturity where I should just do my work. My main goal, my daily based goal is I just need to make money to feed my family. That's it. People will like me or not like me, I don't care about that. So this is how we need to keep moving. So I'm improving in that way. Why? Because when I make, as I said, like I have a esport company which is Maxibles. So in the esport, we are dealing with the kids. Their average age is 17 to 20. So you can imagine, like once somebody have the 17 to 20 years old, their maturity level is not that good. So what happens, like if our team, which is Maxibles, if our team kills someone, like a couple of days ago there's an incident, like our team killed like the 4th tribe, and they put some fire on their carrot, and suddenly we in our Instagram or YouTube, everywhere people are start abusing us. So abusing us, and in that way I thought like we done something wrong. So and then suddenly someone from my team told me like this is what happened, and because people like 4th tribe a lot, so if someone kills them, and also they thought like killing is okay, but putting the fire on their carrot crate, it's like disrespectful. This is how they think. So you cannot control those things, like how the other people perceive the information. It's on them. Like there are 2 ways to perceive the information, like whether it is positive or negative. एक ही चीज़ को आप 2 तरीके से देख सकते हो, पॉजिटिव वे से भी और नेगेटिव वे से भी, ठीक है. सो इट्स ऑन देम हाउ दे परसीव. कोई नेगेटिव वे में देखते तो उसका मसला, हमारा मसला नहीं है. आप वाला बॉट शेयर कर दीजिएगा अगर कस्टमाइज कर देना. मेरा कोई बॉट नहीं है यार, मेरा कोई बॉट नहीं है. ओंडा पे करें चार्ट. हाँ, ओंडा पे क्या हो गया? कुछ अलग हुआ ओंडा पे? सेम ही है यार. आई सी दो क्लिप जैसे जब हम छोटे होते थे ना, हमने भी कई चवले मारी हुई हैं ज़िंदगी के अंदर. अब जब हम लोग, मैं सोचता हूँ ना कि यार वो काम मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था, ठीक है, तो अब उस पर हंसी आती है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ लाइफ इज़. मैच्योरिटी वक्त के साथ ही आती है, मतलब जिस तरह जिस तरह एज बढ़ती है, एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट वर्क्स. किसी ने ट्रेडिंग सीखनी है तो मेरे से सीख सकता है. आई हैव प्रूफ ऑफ ट्रेड एंड पे आउट डिस्कॉर्ड आई डी आई ब्रेव. यार अब्दुल्ला कहीं और जाके आप अपना कोर्स बेचें, फ़िलहाल यहाँ पे ना बेचें. ओके, फॉर नाउ वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द प्राइस टू कम अप. यार मुझे अभी भी डर है कि प्राइस इवन यहाँ पर आ गई, यहाँ से भी ब्रेक करके ऊपर चल जाएगी. मुझे लगता है प्राइस यहाँ तक आ जाएगी. सो आई डू नॉट वांट टू गेट स्टक एनीवेयर. अगर यहाँ पे प्राइस आई और इट शोज सम रिजेक्शन, वी विल टेक अ सेल. अदरवाइज आई डोंट वांट. आपको कितना टाइम लगता है प्रॉफिटेबल होने में? 2 से 3 साल लग जाते हैं एवरेज एज. 2 से 3 साल लग जाते हैं. $4,100 shows an MT5. I just want the price should come up here, and we can look for sell side move. This is the way to go for now. Yes, this is the area. What is happening in the 5 minute? Yeah, this is the area. I would say this is a good area. We'll see. Just waiting. First price need to come. Bro, आपका परमानेंट दुबई शिफ्ट हो गए हो क्या? नहीं, मैं कहीं और शिफ्ट हो गया हूँ. Chat, we completed the 4 chart on gold. Wait till USD JPY falling badly. Yes, but I don't trade US 30. Okay, let me give you the more better perspective where we need to sell. I think that's this is the area I would sell. These are the two areas. These are the best zone, I would say. For today, I don't think so. If price goes up, the way it is, the way volume is going up, it is not giving any confirmation for now. You see, in the 5 minute, everything is so bullish. So selling here, even 4112, 411, it's who is promoting their strategy? Okay, so the thing is simple. Like, we are looking forward for sell here, and it could be the sell limit. Simple. 4132, this is a good zone, and price will come, and I can sense the price is coming today, because we need to be reactive. Sell zone 4132 to 4135 with 50 pips SL. That's the first zone. Okay, this is the first zone we are looking forward, and then the second zone we are going to sell here. 40. Okay, what is this? 40. 47 to 50. Okay, these are the sell zones basically, and I don't see the price is going to respect anywhere before that. You see what we discussed when we started the stream, we discussed like we are going to buy from 4060 4058 40, but price did not come here. And then a lot of people were saying like we need to sell from 85 80 90, and then I said like this is a risky zone, price may not able to respect this zone. Why? Because I give you the proper logic, like if price is not respecting this h4, it may not respect this area. And why I'm not selling at this zone? Because this zone is tested a lot of times, like 1 2 3 4, and this is coming fifth time. So there's a pretty much chance like if now price is coming to this zone, it may go bullish all the way and it tests this level and then drop. And then we have couple of levels. The first level is this 413235, and the second level is this, and I'm here for now, and hopefully this will come within my live streaming. So the second thing is price come down above here and then drop. So these are the two logical level where I'm looking for the sell side. Okay guys, I'm back. 4116 is a good, yes, it is a good level of sell. And the sell area does not look like a neck pattern, no. This sell area, you mean 4 hour, like 410, this was a neck pattern, but it is already respected twice, so I don't want to sell it again. So that is why I choose these levels in the top side, and I'm pretty much sure the price is not going to respect those levels, it will go straight bullish. दानिश भाई अगेन लर्निंग वीडियोस कब बना रहे हैं? आई थिंक दीज लाइव सेशंस आर द लर्निंग वीडियोस. यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन एंड आई विल रिप्लाई. सो आपने ठेका दिया है अनेबल टू हेयर बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट स्पीकिंग एच होगा. ब्रो यू आर यूजिंग PowerPoint. I do not use PowerPoint. Have you seen me to draw any PowerPoint? No. So this is the plan which I have shared you. So for now I don't think so price is gonna respect those levels. I don't think so price is gonna respect those levels. Price will go bullish all the way. भाई कॉपी ट्रेडिंग कब करें? अभी तो नहीं कर रहे यार. अभी कॉपी ट्रेडिंग आई नीड टू डेवलप माई साइकोलॉजी मोर and then we will think and start properly. For now, no, because honestly speaking, it's not about making money for yourself, it's about making money for everyone. If we are unable to make money, because there's a lot of pressure when you do copy trading, there's a lot of pressure in terms of you are handling someone else's capital. So I went through a lot of things at that time. There was consistent 3 months, 2 months, we were in a lot of profit, and then there was 1 week we were not in profit and people start saying a lot of things, and then there was a one time our account get blown away as well. It was a very small account, but we already make a lot of money. So this is how to handle things. Where, yeah, I would say for now it's hold. So you see price is not holding this level as well. So I think that was a very good decision. If someone saying like we need to sell for 4085, 490, 4100, thank God we have not sell, because price is just going solid bullish. There was no indication of selling any point, and it does not give us any chance to buy it, because we want to buy at this level and price did not come to this level. It just move away before this level from 4065. So yes, for now I think it could easily, minimum it would tap to this 4125, but I'm pretty much sure like it would tab above. So let the price come to those levels and we'll see. You see it is not respecting anything, it is just going, it also break this level as well, like the 1 hour close above this. So that's interesting part, that's very interesting part. So I would say yes. So that's the thing here. If price comes down to 40, I don't think so it is gonna come down. It's just going bullish all the way. Oh, you see this one? Thank God we have not sell here as well. Thank God we have not sell here as well. So this is how you need to be reactive in the market, rather than just blindly. Yeah, this is how to be reactive. Like we have not sell anything right now. Since we are sitting in, we started this live streaming, we were just looking for the buy, but price did not give a buy chance. We planned to sell around 4100, we have not sell here, and then the way price is moving up, we have changed the plan. Like we see the price action is moving so fast, so we thought like we are not going to sell at this point. So now its price is going bullish, so we will see only here and in H4 level. If price come to this level 4132, we can look for sell side option, but again we are following the price action. It depends on the market. Okay, so please, I need to trade hold the close. If you are in buy from 4050, you should close. I would say you should close. Okay, it's coming good way. Okay, if it's come down to 4100, we can look for buy. This is what I'm planning for now. Let him come down to 4100, or not 4100, even it should come down further. Let's see. Let him come down first. This could be the area. This could be the area. But I don't think so it is gonna come here. But we'll see. In the 5 minute. In the 15 minute. Yeah, this could be the area. We'll see. Because right now it is hell bullish. It is hell bullish. दानिश भाई, आप कभी कैंडल के ऊपर से ड्रॉ करते हैं और कभी कैंडल के नीचे से, सेम लाइक बेरिश डायरेक्शन है, कभी नीचे से ड्रॉ करता है कभी ऊपर से. या दैट्स ऑल बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. That's all based on experience, buddy. That's all based on experience. For now, there is no trade. Like, there is no sell, there is no buy. We only look for sell around 413234. Yes, market. Danish bhai, what was the biggest loss and how do you manage to get out of it? My biggest loss is like $15,000. Yeah, that's maximum. No, not 15,000. It was like $22,000. And simply the time I had a loss, yeah, obviously there's a lot of depression, anxiety, and a lot of things. But next day I was just normal. So we have 81 likes. Can we hit 100 likes, guys? In the meantime, just trying to get some buy trades. This week, okay, the gold is always have a habit to do the deep retest before moving bullish. So if we see the H4, this is because H4 has not been closed yet, and buying here is a risky one. Let the price come down to this zone. This could be the area where price should come down. This is the level price break, and it was hold like since yesterday the price was holding, and now it breaks above. So I would say if price come to this zone, we can look for buy. This is my plan. Buy from 4080 valid structure break. Yeah, it is a proper structure break, so I'm just waiting for the price to comes down. So if price come to this zone, this area, I would look for buy this area. And it is simple. Previous day high get swept. But just wanna love Allah खुश रखे, Allah आपको भी खुश रखे. And yeah, that's the way to go for now. यार अगर प्राइस यहाँ पे आ जाती ना कहीं 60 पे, मज़ा आ जाता. मतलब it was a very, if price come here, it was a very good trade. We miss, so we can't do. And the good thing is we did not sell throughout. That's a good part. If we sell, like, we make some zones, but with the way price action is moving, thank God I did not sell anywhere. So this is how it works. So for now, if we see the 5 minute, you see the 5 minute is also aligned with this. So yes, we will look for buy option here. This is a, I think the buy here, putting SL at here 80 and targeting the high, that was a great idea. Like 86 to 88, wherever, this is the area we will look for buy, and we are going to put stop loss at 80 and then targeting the high. It would be great option. Yeah, that's a plan for myself. So we'll see. Let the price come, and once it's triggered, it triggered. Yeah, I would buy here definitely. I think it should respect. Let the price come. सर एक्सपीरियंस को थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन. एक्सपीरियंस का मतलब होता है कि आपने चार्ट टाइम पे कितना टाइम गुजार लिया, मतलब आपको इस चार्ट को देखते हुए कितना टाइम गुजर गया. इससे आपकी मसल मेमोरी बिल्ड होती है. मसल मेमोरी आप समझते ही होंगे. सो मसल मेमोरी इट्स लाइक, आपने, हैव यू एवर यूज कीबोर्ड लाइक दिस. लेट मी शो यू. दिस इज़ अ कीबोर्ड. अगर आप इसको फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ करेंगे ना, जिसने कभी भी यूज़ नहीं किया, उसको टाइप करने के लिए ना, you need to see the keyboard, where is A, where is B, where is C, where is D. But once you start using continuously the keyboard, after some time you do not need to look at the keyboard. आपकी मसल मेमोरी बिल्ड हो जाती है, आपकी उंगलियां खुद वहाँ जाती हैं और ऑटोमेटिकली वहाँ पे जाके उसे पता होता है यहाँ पे A है, यहाँ पे S है, यहाँ पे D है, यहाँ पे डिफरेंट numbers and you just tab it. So I say the trading is the same thing. ऊपर वाला जोन को अच्छा, मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि वो कैंडल के ऊपर हो जाए. इट डिपेंड्स. दोनों जोन वर्क करते हैं, बट इट डिपेंड्स हाउ मेनी टाइम, बिकॉज दैट जोन, लाइक आई टोल्ड यू, लेट मी गो, आई हैव draw this zone in the bottom. Why? And then I remove it because I did not, at that time I did not see the H4. So price is already tested this zone many times. So there was a thought process, yaar, कि ना ये maybe this time it is not going to respect. So if it is not going to respect this level, so next zone is top. So you always need to draw both of the zone, bottom and top. Yeah. So for now, this is our buy area. Come on gold, you need to come down. You need to come down. And this is where we are going to look for buy. I do not want it should just move away. I want it should come down and take our buy. Yes, good if you're expert. So guys, this is our trade plan, like 4086 to 88. This is our buy zone. If price comes to 88, I will take the entry. 88, yes, this is our buy zone, and we are targeting this high and even go further bullish, but minimum target is like this, 4012. I think that's a good way to go. And our SL could be like 70 pips, 50, 70 pips. Yes, so that's a plan. 50 pips SL लेते हैं. I do not want to go, like the target is also good, like 100 pips. Yeah, it depends on you, like how much you want to risk. If you want to extend your SL, you need to reduce your lot size. Simple. I just want the price. Yeah, come on. Already we have spent a lot of time, and we already have missed the trade from 1460. Like price did not come there. I do not want it should happen again. I just want price should come down, take our buy, and then go bullish. Simple. Yes. Okay. Hopefully it is coming down. It is coming down, and it should hit our level, and then we'll see. So the plan is simple. So we are looking for the buy side move from this level 408688, and yes, with the SL is like 4080, and our target is top, the high of today, you can say that 4010. Even though once price move into the 100 pips in profit, yeah, we should secure something. So that's a way to go. Yeah, SL, everything is given here, like what is the SL, what is the entry, and what is the target. So this is basically everything. So you just need to look here, and that's it. How much percentage it's on you. How much, it's on you. Like, how can I tell you like how much percentage you should do it, whatever you want. But you need to be aware, like, it may go in profit and it may go in loss. There is no guarantee whether we are going to make profit from this trade. There is no guarantee we are going to make loss in this trade. It's a game of probability, like, yes. But that is my plan, to look for buy side. I do not want to sell because the market is so bullish, so I'm just looking for the buy side. Just keep an eye on the Trump tweet as well, because yeah, anything can be happen. For now there is nothing, but we'll see. And JPY, okay, it's going hell bullish. Yeah, you can use limit order in the price zone. Yes, it's on you. Like, you need to, this is, I would say, these questions are useless, like whether we need to buy limit, whether how much risk I need to take, everything is given. Like, I given the buy zone. Now it's up to you how you want to be execute the trade, whether you want to be market execution or whether you want to be buy. It's on you. I cannot come to your system and put the finger there. So it's on you, like how you want to enter in the market. I just given my idea. You can take it or leave it, simple. Like, and now how you take it, where you need to put SL, everything is given. So it's on you. I don't think so these questions need to be asked. Yeah, but this is my plan. So right now we are just waiting. So yes, sir, you always tell when the price goes bullish it should take liquidity. Should we for it take liquidity? Yeah, I think this time it does not take liquidity, it also break the level in the high side as well. You see the H1 candle, it already closed above the zone. The zone was 40, there were two zones, 4016 and even 40110. The candle closed above. So there's a pretty much chance the price is coming down for the deep retest and testing this level and then go bullish. So yes, that he already grabbed the liquidity in the bottom. Oh yeah, indeed. Yes, so I'm not looking forward for any sort of sell side. I'm just looking for the buy side move. So if you just joined the stream, the concept is simple. Like I'm just waiting for the price to come to this area 4086 4088, and I would take a buy with 60 70, like 50 to 60 pips SL, and then my target is like this 4110. But yeah, if price moves into 100 pips in my direction, then yes, good. It's coming down, it's coming down. So this is the area 408886. I'm looking for a buy side move, so just waiting. So for now, just waiting. Nothing. We have an SL, we have an entry, we have a TP. We do not need to do anything for now. We're just waiting. It's coming down, it's coming down. Come on, gold. Take our entry and then go bullish. I do not want it to all the way. So guys, right now my entry has been triggered. Now let's see what is gonna be happen. So my entry has been triggered, and yes, let's see what's gonna be happen for now. So it should respect this area. It should respect this area. It should respect this area for now, and it should go bullish. Well, let's see now. My entry has been triggered. Now I'm just waiting. Yeah, just waiting. So for now, it should respect and it should go bullish all the way. So you see right now, we are in 30 pips profit. So we are right now 60 pips profit, and मैं भाई इसी टाइम ट्रेडिंग करता हूँ, आपके सामने ही कर रहा हूँ. आपके सामने ही कर रहा हूँ. So I just want the price should go bullish for now. Let's see where it went. it should minimum it should minimum come to, it should go further. It should break the high of this current candle. That's my view for now. Once it's break, we have 120 pips. So right now we are in how much profit? So we are in 80 pips profit, 90 pips profit. Now this is a time, guys, you need to 100 pips profit. So this is a time, guys, you need to secure something and put your SL at break even. Like you already make 100 pips. You already make 100 pips and your drawdown is just like 10 pips. And I have already secured something for now, and that's the way to go. It's a simple thing, no need to worry. Secure like 80%, 70%, and put your SL at break even and let the rest run 20% or 15% or 30%. So this is how it works. You see how we started. So I just want like, just drop the W's in the chat. Simple as this. This is how you trade. Like the more you wait, the more you get the good trade. Simple as this. So when we started, so we believe, like when we started, like we were looking for a buy from the 4060, and price did not come to our level. And then the next thing is it goes all the way bullish. We did not sell. The good thing is we did not sell. We goes with the direction of the market, and then we had a buy, and it's like 100 pips almost. So I think with 10 pips of drawdown, 100 pips, it's a good win. So I'm still in the trade. My break even it does not hit yet, and now it looks like it is about to hit. Yeah, it's still holding, but I think it's a good trade. It's a very good trade. So yes, there's only one guy who is dropping the W's. I would say everyone should drop a W's here. Think market chart is too slow. I don't think so. It's too slow. Like I think when you use MT5, the charts are good. The charts are good. Yeah, the charts are good. अभी trade ले सकते हैं, like yeah, if you want to take, but this is a good zone. Like if you want to take a trade, you can take. My break even is not yet hit. Like I'm just still waiting. So yeah, it's a good day. I would say it's a very good day. It did not go all the way up, but I'm hopeful like it will go up. But for now this trade is over for me. My break even is just hit. So yeah, I'm not gonna take it again. But we have already make $100 pips in this trade. It's easy. This is how you can take. But this zone is very good. I'm pretty much sure the price can easily go up. Price would easily go up here. It would go. It should go. 90 pips secured. Yeah, it's good. Like there's only 10 pips drawdown. Like even there's no 10 pips drawdown, and price go all the way like 90 pips. So it's good. So that is my, as I explained earlier, like this is my rule. Like once price cross 80 pips, 70-80 pips, I start securing, because I do not want to miss the move. So I secure, and I put like 20%, 30%, leave it with SL at break even. So that's how it works. So in trading, in strategies, like you need to, strategy is a constant thing, not a variable thing. Like you need to risk the same thing, same percentage every day, whether it is a percentage or amount of dollar. You need to do it every day, the same thing. You need to open the same lot size, you need to secure at the same time. If you are doing not constantly, you are not going to make money. So you see, this is we done already. This is we already done. It was a good trade, honestly speaking. It was a very good trade. Let me remove this. It was a very, very good trade. So if someone take it again from this zone, yeah, you're still in profit, like 80 pips, and it could easily come up to 150, but we'll see. Okay guys, so as of now, this is beautiful. So if you have any question, let me know. But I just want to tell you one thing, like this is how you need to, in the market you need to be reactive. Okay, you can't be rigid in the market. If you join the stream right from the start, you see, like we discuss a lot of scenarios, and we change a lot of scenarios as well. People will say like people can say a lot of things, but I would say one thing: in the market the U-turn is better than nothing. Like it is good to have taken the you can be rigid with your trading ideas. Like initially we discussed, like we are going to buy from 40-60, but price did not came here and just trade go away bullish. And then a lot of people were saying, like we need to sell from 85-90, and price was coming here, and the way price is moving up, we discussed like we are not going to take a sell at all, because it is a risky. And you see, like in the initial part we discussed, like we may look for sell around 14, 41, 112 at this area. And then again we change our plan because the price was so much bullish and also break the structure, and we change the plan. So what we did, again, once price break this level in the top, we expect the price should come down on a retest, and we will look for a buy side move. And this is what we done. We take a buy from 87, 88, and you see, like we secure 80 pips. And if someone take the trade and still holding, you are still like 100 pips in profit. That's how it works. Impulse entry, yes, like yesterday on the news I taken the impulse entry, like I have set the buy stop, and it was impulse entry. Simple. It is not always be like okay, so just want to ask Danish, this was one trade 70 pips, and and SLTP is 90 pips. How it comes in long run? It is working for me. Like it comes down to hit my break even, but maybe next time it does not come down to hit my break even, and my 30% that I'm putting at break even, it may go all the way bullish and make more money. Danish by 40, no, it's not valid for now. I don't think so. It is coming down to 40-60. If it's come down, I think it should come down to 40-50. Guys, we need 100 likes on the stream. That's what I want. As of now, it is just 90. So guys, yes. In bull markets, buy stop and stop loss works or not? It works. It works, but yeah, obviously, slippage is a part of the game. Wow, beautiful. Once it breaks 4100, I don't see there is any stoppage. It will go all the way bullish. And you see this? Wow, beautiful. So guys, if you have taken this trade, it was beautiful trade. The zone was perfect. The chart is slow and we also missed the entries, we enter late. How you miss the entries? You do not need to enter the trade with watching my stream. You need to enter the trade with watching your broker price action. That's a simple common sense, buddy. It's not a rocket science, because the stream is already delayed by 30 or 20 seconds. If you know this is how the stream works, this is not the 100% live market, live streaming. There is always a delay of 5 to 10 seconds. So you need to enter with the price action what is offering your broker in your mobile, not watching the stream. I have given the area where you need to buy, where you put SL, where you put TP. So you see it is already 150 pips from this zone. So yeah, it's a simple thing. I don't have a time for Asian or London session for now. Yes. So guys, this is all we have for today. I would say it's a simple thing. We were waiting for the buy side move, and we make our levels. So 408688 is our buy level. It was the SL, and price beautifully respect this level, and overall it moves above like 150 pips from our buy side, and I would say that's done for the day, and it could easily hit this level. And yeah, I would say that's all for today. So have a great day. Thank you so much for coming to my live stream. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye.